gonna regret this later. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you haven't already, go ahead and smash that like button, give this video a like, and if you like the intro, well, stay tuned for the rest of this video. My goal is to make this video less than 10 minutes, so if you're watching this video, then that's exactly what I did. But let's get started. So sometime in May, I had my homeboy Diego, aka the Galactic Churro. If you know, you know.
Can we get 10 dislikes? 10 dislikes or I'll drown myself!
He messaged me around May saying, video idea, 100 push-ups a day for a month. And for a while I was like, oh, that's a good idea, but then I don't know what clicked in me. I was like, you know what, summer's here. I need another reason to really lock in. So for the month of July, that's exactly what I did. 31 days, 100 push-ups every day, and this is how I went. I'm gonna regret this later, but here goes nothing. Like, see how long this takes me? Hopefully it doesn't take me long. We're at 25. My form's gonna go, it's gonna digress over time. We're at 38 seconds, 25 reps. Let's continue. Now, the first few days was kind of hard. I'm not gonna lie, the whole month was hard. Especially since I would actually work out, and then after a long day at night, I would get my push-ups. That was on me. I chose to do my push-ups at the end of the day for every day, and it was getting hard. It really was. Fun fact, I made it to like day 4. I got sick on July 5th. All right, it's July 6th. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't do July 5th, but it's because I was feeling like shit. I still do. I had like body chills, I was sweating, diarrhea, everything. I don't know, I'm going to the doctor tomorrow to see what's going on. I had the stomach bug, I had the diarrhea parasite. I was shitting every day. I missed like 3 days, but don't worry, I made them up. But I missed like 3 days. I tried to do push-ups for one of the days, and I was doing knee push-ups, and well, my headache was hurting, and I did my best. Regardless of that didn't really stop me. After I was feeling a lot better, I continued on with the grind and started doing 100 push-ups every day. Some days were easier than others. Some days were faster than others. Some days I would take less breaks than others. But I completely underestimated how hard it was going to actually be. For the whole month, I was like, oh yeah, by the end of the month, I'll be able to do 100 push-ups smoothly, non-stop, one go. Yeah, that's not how it worked out. Every day was getting harder, especially on days I would hit chest and back. Push-ups were not my best. Now, I will say, some changes that I saw with doing push-ups was my posture got a little better. I won't lie. My back pain decreased by a lot. Before I was doing push-ups, I was having major lower back pain. Now it's really not that bad. Like, my back pain has decreased a lot. Usually I would be like trying to pop myself, do everything, but I didn't. My back's been actually a lot better. My posture has been a lot better. I feel a lot more, straight, not much of a hunchback, nothing like that. So that's a plus. Then towards the end, I was like, you know what? I gotta see my progress without my chest hair, because your boy has a lot of chest hair, right? So I was like, you know what? Fuck it. I said, let's shave it again. And this is how it went. So we're gonna try this. We're gonna try Nair Body Hair Removal Cream. Quickly and gently removes body hair even on sensitive skin, which I got sensitive skin. Apply thick, even layer with spatula onto clean, dry skin, okay? Make sure the hair is covered completely. Do not rub in. So, let's go get started. Let's go get naked. Alright. And then she said, use the spatula. Maybe I should have trimmed. Do not use on head, face, eyes, eyebrows, nose, ears, chest. Why not chest? Or any other body part? So what's this for? It's telling you not to use it on any other body, on any body part, but it's a body removal. Come on, man. Make this make sense. I'm not fully naked. I'll see you guys in a little bit. It's gonna take a long time.
You have a, yeah, your abs, they're starting to show.
Actually, or you just
No, like for
gaslight?
real, no, like
You're
for
glazing
real.
me for the camera.
No, like.
So now that you've seen that and all the struggles, this is my before, and now this is my after. Now for 31 days, it's not gonna be a dramatic change, right? I'm gonna still do this for a few more months, see if I see a bigger change within maybe even 3 to 5 months. I'll probably keep you guys updated on social media. So if you haven't already followed me on social media, check it out. I'm consistent on Instagram and I be going live on Twitch. So if you guys want to go check that out, I would greatly appreciate it. I want to say thank you for all 959 subscribers. Thank you so much. Last video I posted, I think I had just hit 500. So we're almost at 1,000, which is crazy. So thank you so much for y'all's love and support. Thank you guys for all the nice comments and all the nice vibes. If you haven't already, like I said, go check out my social media. All my social media is down below. If you guys want to see more videos like these, where I do more like body social experiments, or videos like this where I'm talking to the camera and clipping videos and stuff like that, give it a like, comment down below what you want to see, what your best part was. If you decide to take this challenge, let me know. And if you are deciding to take this challenge, good luck. It's not going to be easy, but determination and discipline is probably the biggest thing that you will need. Besides doing my 100 push-ups, I was still working out Monday through Friday. I was still doing my cardio. I was still eating my calories in a calorie deficit. I was doing everything, not just doing 100 push-ups. So if you guys don't see change, maybe change up y'all's diet, maybe, work out. Everybody's body is different. Damn, it's like bars. So yeah, do whatever works for you. I'm gonna be doing my push-ups, and that's pretty much it. Like I said, if you haven't already, go check out my social media down below. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much again for the subscribers. Maybe I'll do a giveaway. I think I'm gonna do a giveaway for 1,000 subscribers. So if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and do so. But that's pretty much it. This is Raul Garcia, aka Skits, signing off. Toodles.